All right, let's start the stream then. Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. So let's start playing the games and enjoy. Let me see you all are online. I don't see much player are online today, but let's try to send the challenges to them who all are online. Else, as usual, oh guys, we got IM Hemant Sharma. I'm not sure if he's going to play. Oh, he's playing. Guys, we are getting consecutive title players play, and this is something incredible for me now. This is nowadays now the 2500 rating is something normal to me nowadays. All right, let's go. Maybe rook to c1. Yeah, sir. Let me just send him a message. Send him. Yeah. All right. Oh, what is the idea of knight on to f8 is to just go back either onto the g6 or maybe waiting for to provide some more support over here. Let's go h3. So yeah, he has sent us the good luck. So thank you so much, Hemant. Uh, all right. So meanwhile, let me just send in the request as well. And okay, probably this can be possible. Uh, okay, let's maybe here to p1. Okay, his plan is to sack. How can we stop that? A pawn push. I am okay to copy that. Let's come here. That is a cool idea. Can I go or just the a3? Nice idea. So this is just a waiting move or maybe planning to transform the rook onto the h file. Maybe just develop and maybe push pawn further. Yeah. I thought of it. Oh no, this is hanging. Really? Let's come here. Now I just lost one pawn. Now I defended the pawn as well, and it's just now. Mm, maybe here. Come back. If queens are getting traded, that will be great for me. Now just capture, go here and trade the queens. I'm just one pawn down, but maybe yeah, he will win on the end game. Uh, what to play? Okay, let's go here. I'm not sure. Now I don't understand or I'm not getting the moves, but let's see. Uh, if he's trading the coins, that is a great for me. Let's see. I'm sorry. Uh, okay, has to go after this game, so he will not be. Oh no. Oh, it's a check. Now it's a losing probably. Oh no, mouse slip. Yeah, it's time to resign actually. You cannot bear with these pawns, so thank you so much for playing Hemant Sharma, and it's really nice that you have shown your sportsmanship. See you later. Yeah, we were chatting over there on chess.com, and let's quickly do the analysis. Three mistakes I see. Yeah, at the end it was just time matter, that I'm very bad in time management, so definitely I need to improve my timings. But I'm happy that nowadays I'm getting title players, and this is another title player game, and one mistake and three inaccurate moves. Okay, let's quickly go. Where are the mistakes happen? Let's see. H3, all right. Oh my goodness. Uh, I don't see any mistake. Oh, thank you so much, Hemant, for coming and following. It's really nice that you are coming and watching the stream. So it's really nice. Thank you so much. I'm just analyzing our game only. and I'm just taking. I see three inaccurate moves and one mistake from my end. So I'm just trying to learn from there where I made a mistake. So thank you so much for playing. So let's continue the analysis. I think here until here it's good that the idea of trading the taking the bishop is I'm having a fear of that you may go for sack, and it will be like exposing the king. So I was just having that fear. Just captured. Then a3 was the idea of stopping you coming to the b4. Maybe you will not come, but because you don't want to leave this diagonal, but for sure maybe some ideas would be there. So then just yeah, it is a great move, h5. Actually I was thinking to take c8. uh c8. Okay, in the end. Okay, let me go back. Where was this? But c8 is not coming to picture right now. And here, yeah, here I made a mistake of e4, the bishop back to c8. Aha, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, I got it. You wanted to say that you wanna go back to the c8. All right, all right. I just got it. So yeah, that is actually a good idea. That later on you can just push the h6 and my knight has to come back. So that may be possibly the thing, but I was not sure. It's like a after rook a d8. All right, all right. I got your idea. So yeah, yeah, that is actually correct. So rather than going back before that means yeah, yeah, your rook will be passive and it will never come to the game. That is absolutely correct. So yeah, my bad. So after this, and maybe if I am not taking, you will go back. If I play something else like maybe knight on to e2, then you will definitely go back. Yeah, yeah, that is for sure. I was knowing that you will go back and your bishop will be something dangerous to me, and I just thought to just give up my knight for that, and I just played that. That was just a book move. But I think let me see where the game has turned. Means what was the mistake? So I see the e4 was the mistake by me when I just pushed the pawn. Yeah, this was a 4 directly 4 plus for you. What has the mistake? Let me see. Oh, here it should be knight capture as per the engine. No. Nah, okay, okay, yeah, correct. D takes on e4, then knight takes on d4, right? Then queen takes on d4. You already played this line. Then knight takes on f6. Yeah, I have played this line. Then you take with the queen. Yeah, because here I was having a fear. I am losing my bishop here actually, because it's double attack on my bishop. But yeah, this is also right that you are coming over back and not taking with the king. So that is good actually. Otherwise, yeah, if you take with the king, maybe I will get some chance with this check, queen on f3. That might be possible. So, or what is okay? Rather than going over there, it's engine is suggesting to go on to e3 so that you can defend it twice. I don't understand engine line sometime. So here I was just a 3 plus down, and I was just thinking here also I just came back to support if in case you are giving your knight and I may be in trouble. So that's the reason I thought of it to go back, but it's not a good move as per the engine. Just a normal one. Here I was hoping that you will exchange the queens. That will be some relief. Maybe I'm very bad in end game, but at least I should have some tough game in the in the end. But yeah, you are just put the rook over there, and I was just saying what to play now. So and here I was just not getting any idea. So I just going and here also. Yeah, here you played a good tactic of winning the uh, two pawns you won actually here, and here it's end now because there is nothing left after queen exchange. And here it was a mouse slip, and you understood and you have shown the sportsmanship for that. Thank you so much for that. I wanted to go on to the c4, but unfortunately mouse went to the b5, and Then later on I thought that it's nothing because anyway you are like having a lot of pawns in both the ends and my king is not a superman. Rook on c2, you could play, yeah, king g1 was shown by, okay, rook on c2. Instead of that I should have gone to g1. Yeah, that is also a possible move. You will capture, but again, yeah, I will give you check. Maybe some perpetuals you think is possible. I don't think any perpetuals are possible here. But after queen c1, e5 check, could still play f6. Okay, let me try to find this move. I'm very bad in understanding the squares quickly. Uh, there are no checks. After f6, okay, there are. Okay, okay, you mean so when I coming and giving you check, you will to after f6, no. Yeah, after f6 there are no checks. Yes, yes, you are correct. And then maybe I can go to the e6, but again you are having checks. So yeah, you are absolutely right. After f6 there are no checks. This bishop, this knight has made everything over there, and it's very difficult to defend the position. Yeah, yeah. You are absolutely right. G3, yeah, that is what you know. That's the reason. That's the difference between you and us. Means just to tell you, I have started learning chess last year only, and I'm not a professional player, so I'm just learning and I'm trying to spread the chess as much as possible. So maybe I will. It will take some more time for me to learn these tactics. So, but I'm solving the chess puzzles as well. Lot of chess puzzles. And the day before yesterday, we were reached in survival. I had reached to 42. Earlier it was 31, 34, and on that day I crossed that 42. That is the best for me. But I think you guys are reaching 90 or 100 over there. So one of my friend Vaibhav, he is also a very good chess player, and he is having 3000 rating. He has crossed almost 88. That is something incredible. So Hemant, thank you so much for playing with me and giving me the experience to learn something. And this is one of the best move I would say. This check. Yeah, instead of G2, I should have gone to the H2 so that even though if you capture here, it is not going to hamper because of maybe I could go E1 on hit you. That may be possible, or maybe just capture. Yeah, thank you so much. See you later. Take care. Bye bye. So guys, do like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how this game has ended. And I had made some mistakes in the end, but this is a good learning from Hemant and his sportsmanship at the end. That even I just mouse click over there, and he has not captured it. So thank you for that. And